In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a receipt or bill and record it as an expense in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a small business or just trying to keep your personal finances in order, learning how to efficiently record expenses is crucial. So grab your digital receipt or bill and let's dive right in. Let's start by navigating to Zoho Books. Head over to the dashboard, which serves as the command center for all your accounting needs. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see various options tailored to meet different aspects of your financial management. Now focus on the Purchases tab and give it a click. This is where you handle transactions related to what your business spends on acquiring goods or services. Purchases is your gateway to recording expenses properly, ensuring you keep your financial records in check. After selecting Purchases, you're going to find an Expenses option. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for tracking money you've spent on operating your business, from office supplies to utility bills. Keeping track of these expenses is vital to understand where your money is going and to maintain transparency in your accounts. Next, look for the Upload Expense button. This is a pivotal step as it allows you to include new expense transactions effortlessly. By using this feature, you can directly upload bills or receipts that you've received in a digital format. The convenience of uploading them removes the hassle of manual entries and minimizes the risk of errors. Once you hit the Upload Expense button, you'll need to choose which transaction this upload will relate to. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct transaction. Connecting the right receipt or bill ensures that all your documents are accurately paired with their corresponding expense entries. With the transaction selected, the next step is to actually upload the receipt or bill. There should be a clearly marked option to upload files. Click on this option and it will prompt you to choose files from your computer. Be sure to select the correct file, keeping in mind that supported formats mainly include PDFs and images like JPEGs or PNGs. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded a receipt or bill and recorded it as an expense in Zoho Books. Taking the time to accurately record your expenses not only helps in keeping your accounts detailed and organized, but also sets the foundation for seamless financial reporting and analysis. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and straightforward, helping you to streamline your financial management routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy accounting.